None of that messy fuel business gets easier, but I promise, we've got this in the bag. First things first, park your vehicle on a flat surface, engine off, and cool down. Engage that parking brake. Now let's find that fuel filter. Your vehicle's manual is your best friend here. Got it? Great, place a drain pan underneath to catch any spills. If your filter has a drain plug, unscrew it and let the fuel drain out. Next, it's time to disconnect the fuel lines. Use your wrench or socket set and be gentle, no need to Hulk out here. Twist off the old filter counterclockwise if it's spin-on, or remove the housing if it's a cartridge type. Now prime that new filter. Fill it with diesel or an additive to avoid airlocks. Trust me, you don't want those. Install the new filter, hand tight, and reattach the fuel lines. Almost there. Prime the fuel system if needed, start the engine, and check for leaks. Dispose of the old filter properly, and you're done. Congratulations, you just nailed your diesel fuel filter replacement.